Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states that one night he stayed with his maternal aunt Hazrat Maimuna radiyallahu anha. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, I lay transversely on the bedding, whereas Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his wife lay longitudinally, lengthwise, on the bedding. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to sleep and then rose up at midnight or shortly early or after it. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was rubbing the sleep of his eyes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then recited the last 10 verses of chapter Imran's progeny and then made for a hanging water skin and performed the ablution well from it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereafter stood up and performed the prayer. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, I also got up and did the same what Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did. I then started performing the prayer by his side. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam placed his right hand on my head, held my right ear and wrung it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then performed 2 units, then 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 2 units, and then lay down and performing the odd prayer until the muaddin came to him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up and performed 2 units briefly and then went out and led the people in the Fajr prayer. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1786.